77 plus 16. Find the area and perimeter in 2 decimal. Perimeter, find the area and perimeter in 2 decimal. Square ABCD is a square whose diagonal is given is 36 centimeter. Right? So area is very simple. Area is 1/2 of diagonal 1 into diagonal 2. That is also the formula of area of square. Right? But in the square, both the diagonals are same, 36 and 36. So 1/2 of 36 into 36. 18 into 36. That much. 18 into 36. 648 centimeter square is the area. Now for the perimeter, compulsory you have to find the side. So let the side be A and apply Pythagoras theorem. A square plus A square is 36 the whole square. That is 2A square is equal to 36 into 36. Right? So A square is equal to 36 into 36 by 2. यानी 2 18 का. So A square equal to 18 into 2 into 18. Got it? 36 splitting. 18 2 are 36 and 18. So A is 18 root 2. So A is 18 root 2 ની વેલ્યુ 1.414. That is fixed. તમે root 2 અને root 3 ની વેલ્યુ તો યાદ રહેવી જ જોઈએ. root 2 equal to always root 2 equal to 1.414 and root 3 equal to 1.732 is a fixed number. So 18 into 1.414 is 25.45 centimeter is A. Now what is the perimeter? Perimeter is 4A. So perimeter equal to 4A is 4 into A is 25.45 into 4. That is 101.808 છે. So 101.81 centimeter. Round off करिए. अब ये नंबर में round off करिए तो 81 is approximately 80 or 81. It's okay. Right? Example number 7. Find the area of parallelogram whose side is 35 and corresponding height. Parallelogram A, B, C, D is parallelogram whose corresponding base is given. Base is 35 and any पर any corresponding height આપી દીધી છે. And height is 8 centimeter. Height is 8 centimeter. And very simple. जो triangle હોય તો 1/2 થાય. પણ 4 side હોય તો 1/2 ના થાય. ખાલી diagonal હોય તો 1/2 diagonal 1 diagonal 2. પણ sides base into height 4 side. So area of parallelogram is equal to base into height. 35 into 8 is 280 centimeter square is the answer. Okay. Number 8, example number 8. Two adjacent sides of the parallelogram are adjacent, यानी बाजू बाजू में. The parallelogram, two adjacent sides of the parallelogram is the opposite side, is the adjacent side. Two adjacent sides of the parallelogram are 24 centimeter and 18 centimeter. If the distance between longer side, चलो longer side, distance between longer side, this, यानी based on आ longer side છે ને, એક મિનિટ હા, sorry, આ longer side છે અને બે આ short છે, આ long છે, long side વચ્ચેનું distance between longer side is 12. Find the distance between shorter side. Right? Now that is parallelogram ABCD and area is equal to area of parallelogram is base into height. If base is BC, આપણે m લઈએ, અહીંયા n લઈએ. If base is BC, then height is AM, right? But area of parallelogram of same parallelogram ABCD is equal to, if I take base CD, then height will be AM. Got it? जो आ base लइए तो आ height मळे तो भी we can get the area of ABCD. If I take this base, then height is AM. Still I get the area of same parallelogram. But they are the area of the same parallelogram. Hence, base into height equal to base into height. BC into AM equal to CD into AM. BC is 24 into 12, 24 into 12. CD is 18 into AN. Hence, AN equal to 24 into 12 by 18. AN equal to 16 centimeter. 16 centimeter. Okay. Example number 9. The diagonal of a rhombus are 30 centimeter and 36 centimeter. You have to find area and perimeter. Chal. Is the rhombus, all the four sides is equal. All the four sides are equal. But you can see that the one diagonal is greater than other. ABCD. Let it they intersect each other at O. So area is very simple. Area is 1/2 of diagonal 1 into diagonal because they bisect each other at a 90 degree. Right? And the formula is 1/2 of diagonal 1 is 30 into 36. 540 centimeter square is area. Is very simple when both the diagonals are given. But what about perimeter? Right? Now be careful. Diagonals length are different, but they bisect each other at a 90 degree at O. BD is 36, but they bisect each other, so આખું BD equal to 36 and AC equal to 30. So if we focus this triangle, then OD is half of BD. So OD equal to half of BD, that is half of 36. So OD equal to 18 centimeter. That is 18 centimeter. And the whole is 30. So AO is 15 centimeter. આખું AC 30 છે તો એનું half. Right? Let the equal side be A. All the four sides are equal. Apply Pythagoras theorem in AOD triangle because it's a right angle triangle. So in triangle AOD, A square equal to 15 square plus 18 square. 225 324. 549 A square equal to A equal to root of 549. 549 કોનું રૂટ છે? એક મિનિટ, મારી અહીંયા મિસ્ટેક થાય છે. અહીંયા 36 નથી 16 છે, સોરી અહીંયા 16 છે. આખું 16 હોય તો આ 8 થાય. એને ક્વેશ્ચનમાં મિસ્ટેક હતી. 16 મેં 36 લખ્યું તો આ 16 આખું 16 છે તો અડધું 8 થાય. તો આ બધું અહીંયા આ 16 છે. ઓકે, તો અહીંયા 8 240 સેન્ટીમીટર સ્ક્વેર. આ 16 તો half is 8. Half is 8. So 8 square, if you 8 is a 64. So 289. So root of 289. So A equal to 17 centimeter. 17 centimeter. Right? So a parameter is equal to 4A. Yani 4 into 17. 17 4s are 68 centimeter is a parameter. Okay? અહીંયા 16 question માં છે ને 36 લીધું હતું. Okay? આ છે area અને આ parameter. Okay? Example number 10. Find the area of trapezium. Trapezium meaning only one pair of opposite sides are parallel. ABCD is trapezium. Whose parallel sides are 25 and 18. Parallel sides are 25 centimeter and 18 centimeter. And the distance between them is 8 centimeter. So simple. બધું આપી દીધું છે. તો area of trapezium equal to 1/2 of sum of parallel side into distance between them. Sum of parallel side यानी AD plus BC. Sum AD plus BC. Got it? Sum of parallel sides is a formula. Trapezium ना area नो formula છે 1/2 of sum of parallel side into distance between them यानी height. 1/2 of 18 and 25. 18 plus 25 into height is 8. यानी 2 2s are 4. So 2 into 43. 86. 2 4s are 4. 2 2s are 4. And 43. હાઈટ 8 છે ને અહીંયા હાઈટ તો 8 છે અહીંયા 8 છે તો 2 4s are અહીંયા 4 આવે 4 3s are 12 4 4s are 16 plus 17 centimeter square 172 centimeter square ओके हाइट यहाँ 4 છે मैं कट કરીને લખું છું હાइट 4 एग्जांपल नंबर 11